The USS Thresher, designated SSN 593, was a cutting-edge nuclear submarine. It represented a significant leap in technology for the United States Navy. Commissioned in 1961, Thresher was the lead boat of her class. She was designed for deep diving and anti-submarine warfare. The submarine and her crew pushed the boundaries of undersea exploration. Tragically, their journey ended abruptly on April 10, 1963. The Thresher was undergoing routine sea trials after a 9-month overhaul. These trials were taking place off the coast of Cape Cod, Massachusetts. The submarine was conducting deep diving tests. This was a standard procedure to ensure the vessel's operational depth and capabilities. The crew consisted of experienced sailors and civilian technicians. They were considered to be the best in their fields. On that fateful morning, the Thresher began its final dive. The submarine maintained communication with the USS Skylark, its support ship. As the Thresher descended, the communication became garbled. The Skylark received a message indicating minor difficulties. This was followed by silence. The crew of the Skylark waited anxiously for any sign of the Thresher. Hours passed and hope began to dwindle. The Navy launched a massive search and rescue operation. Ships and aircraft scoured the area. They looked for any indication of the Thresher or its crew. Debris was eventually located on the ocean floor. This grim discovery confirmed the worst fears. The Thresher had sunk, taking all 129 souls on board with it. The disaster sent shockwaves throughout the Navy and the nation. It remains the worst submarine disaster in United States Navy history. A thorough investigation was launched to determine the cause of the tragedy. The Navy convened a court of inquiry. They examined the wreckage and analyzed the recovered debris. The inquiry concluded that the most likely cause was a piping failure in the submarine's engine room. This failure led to a flooding cascade. The inquiry suggested that the flooding caused electrical shorts. These shorts disabled critical systems. The Thresher was unable to surface. The immense pressure at its operating depth caused the submarine to implode. This implosion would have resulted in the instantaneous death of the crew. The disaster highlighted the inherent risks involved in deep-sea exploration. Section 4. A legacy of safety. The loss of the Thresher was a pivotal moment for submarine safety. The Navy implemented sweeping changes in response to the disaster. The most significant of these was the creation of the Submarine Safety or SUBSAFE program. SUBSAFE mandates rigorous safety standards for the design, construction and operation of all US Navy submarines. The SUBSAFE program focuses on preventing similar tragedies. It emphasizes quality control during construction. It requires stringent testing of all systems. SUBSAFE also mandates regular inspections and maintenance. This comprehensive approach to safety has dramatically reduced the risk of submarine accidents. The legacy of the Thresher lives on in this unwavering commitment to safety. Section 5. Continued vigilance. The loss of the Thresher serves as a constant reminder. It highlights the importance of vigilance in submarine operations. The sea is an unforgiving environment. Even the most advanced technology can fail. The men and women who serve on submarines face inherent risks. The lessons learned from the Thresher continue to shape submarine safety protocols. The Navy remains dedicated to preventing future tragedies. Ongoing research and development aim to improve submarine design and safety features. The goal is to minimize risk and ensure the well-being of those who serve beneath the waves. The memory of the Thresher crew serves as a solemn reminder of the importance of this mission.